Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that determine if the following vectors are orthogonal. So solution. Now, two vectors are orthogonal if their dot product is equal to 0. If their dot product equals to 0, that means they are orthogonal. And orthogonal means the angle between them is at 90 degrees. Orthogonal, another word for orthogonal means perpendicular. That means if these two vectors are perpendicular or the angle between them is 90, they want us to find if these two vectors, the angle between them is 90 degrees or they are perpendicular to each other. That is what orthogonal means. So if any of these two pair of vectors are orthogonal, that means the angle between two of them is 90 degrees. So to do this, we have to check if their dot product is 0, that means they are orthogonal. So we'll start with the first one. So we'll find dot product of this. Is equals to what? 2 minus 1. Dot product of 2 and 4. So the dot product is what? Is 2 times 2 plus minus 1 times 4. So that means this is what? 4 minus 4, which is 0. So that means these two vectors are orthogonal since their dot product is 0. That means, therefore, the two vectors are orthogonal. That means these two vectors are orthogonal. In other words, the angle between two of them is 90 degrees. And also they are perpendicular to each other. So let's move to the second one. The dot product. This is 4 and 2. 4, 2 minus 2 and 3. So this is 4 times minus 2 plus 2 times 3. This is minus 8 plus 6, which is equals to what? Minus 2. So in this one, the dot product is not 0 but minus 2. So therefore, the two vectors are not orthogonal. In other words, they are not perpendicular to each other. Or the angle between two of them is not 90 degrees. So that's all. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.